Hello everyone and welcome to your own channel Crypto Guy. In this video I'm going to tell you about DAI stablecoin. What is stablecoin? What is DAI? How you can buy DAI, and most important, how you can make passive income or make passive interest on DAI stablecoin. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. So let's get in. Here you can see that it's ranked 25 at the moment. This is their website and this is their DAI Explorer. So if you come to their official website, this is it, makerdao.com. A better money digital currency that can be used by anyone, anywhere, anytime. So literally you only need the internet for this and you can use this money all over the world. Forget about euro, pound, dollar. You can only make and use with DAI. The world's first unbiased currency. DAI is a stable, decentralized currency that does not discriminate. Any individual or business can realize the advantage of digital money. Financial freedom with no volatility. A price stable currency that you control, generate DAI on your thumbs instantly. So one DAI will be always $1, no matter what the price of Bitcoin is going up or down, what the price of Ethereum is going up and down, market is bullish or bearish, one DAI is always equal to $1. You can also earn your DAI, lock your DAI with other 272.21 earning and DAI saving rate set by the maker community. And it's a growing ecospace you can use with this Arjun, Coinbase, Compound, which I'm going to mention very soon in this video. In the product you can see that they have the main thing: Oasis, migrate, ecosystem and governance. In Oasis, if we go here, you can see that there are three different platforms. In the first one is we can start trading, place orders in the marketplace, exchange your token or multiply your assets quickly. These are the all supported token: DAI, Ethereum, BAD, USDC, Mana, Cyber Network, OX, PAX, USDT, all the famous ones. And here you can, what is Oasis? So mostly you can trade it, and you can also lock your token as collateral to generate DAI, a decentralized stable soft pegged to $1. You can borrow it and you can also save it and make money. So let's start with Oasis trade platform. Here you can see this is a trade platform. You have to connect your MetaMask here, and after that then you can see what you have. At the moment I have this amount of DAI or Ethereum in my account. You can make a market order. You have to just write the market order what you want to enter, the slippage maybe 5%, done. And here you can put the order, at which price you want to buy and which price you want to sell. Also this is instantly, this is a market order, so you can just deposit and receive DAI instantly. Here you can multiply, and here you can check the balances of your account. Next we can go and see that put your assets to work. You can wallet make it easier to utilize your collateral by generating DAI against liquidity. So here you can just add your DAI and you can borrow it. So for example, if you have Ethereum amount of 1 Ethereum, so you can almost 50% that you can borrow 187. So you don't have to sell your cryptocurrency. You just come here, deposit your cryptocurrency, which any of this, and then you can borrow DAI out of it. So I think this is very good. And once you have borrowed the DAI, it's a stable coin. You can transfer in your bank account, and then you can repay back and get your crypto. So this is a platform Oasis app where you can save, borrow and trade. Here you can see the save, the start earning 0.00 on your DAI today. So there is no interest at the moment. I have Ethereum, this in my account, but here you can deploy the proxy. This is like it's combined like 10 transaction. It also save your transaction fees, but at the moment it's not happening, so I'm not going to do that. And also the vault, you can deposit your Ethereum and get DAI at back, same thing like that. But the most important thing today, I think I will go and show you how to make passive income by just holding DAI. So there are three ways. Let's start from the first one. The first one is Coinbase. Here you can see that I have almost 300 DAI in my account at the moment, which is 223 pound, $300, and this is the reward what I am getting at the moment. Lifetime award is 0.11 DAI I already have been received, generated, and from that I have received 0.04 DAI, and this reward is pending 0.06, and the annual percentage yield is 2%. So if you talk about this negative interest rate, you know, in Germany, UK, Japan, banks are not paying any money. So if you just hold your crypto here, which is DAI at the moment, you can just make money out of it by just holding DAI, which is only 2%. I also deposit some DAI, and this is the reward. You can see that DAI reward have been received. So like this is in one day I have received something about 11 0.11 DAI, which is almost like 1 penny. So I think it's not a bad deal. And this is the coolest thing I like about Coinbase, that you can see your lifetime reward it has been generating. So I think this is one of the best case scenario everybody know about Coinbase. You just have to deposit your DAI. It's very easy. Go to homepage, scroll to DAI, and here you can go to the wallet. From wallet you can just go to receive, and once you get your address you can send your DAI from any exchange, and your DAI will be deposited in Coinbase after like 40 block confirmation, and once it's happened depositing you can start earning lifetime award. If you don't know how to get DAI, it's very easy. You can just go to Uniswap, connect with your MetaBanks, and just enter the token which you want to convert at the moment. If you have Ethereum, just add Ethereum, come here, select DAI, and if you don't know how to add custom, you can see my how to add custom ERC token and put max, and here you can see that from 89 taco I can get almost like 3 DAI. If you have any other like Ethereum, you can just go click the Ethereum, put max, you can get almost 116 DAI, or you can also write whatever amount of DAI you want to get. Click swap, confirm swap. Once you put the confirm swap, MetaMask will open, choose your gas and confirm, and after some transaction will be confirmed, you will have your DAI in your account, in MetaMask account, and from there you can send it to Coinbase easily. So let's move to a second topic, how you can make passive income from second. Second is compound.finance. It has been in the market for a long time, so you can just come here and you can borrow, lend, and also save DAI as well here. So for this you just have to come and click the app. Once the app.compound.finance is open, here you can see that your supply balance, your borrow balance, and you have to connect your wallet. Once you have it connected, you will see the market rates here, and here you can see that you can earn 2.9% on DAI, and there are also other coin like basic attention ether. You are having 0.24%, Uniswap 0.42, USDT you are like 4%. So you click on DAI and click enable. Once you have click enable, this will send a proof request to your MetaMask. You have to prove it, and then you can just add the amount how much you want it, and then you can also borrow that. And once you have start supplying, you will get it here and you will get the interest rate here. So this is the second step, how you can make passive income from DAI. The first is Coinbase, which is very good because you can see the life reward time here. Same with compound, which is giving a little bit more, like 1% more on DAI interest. And now I will show you the third, which is DYDX. Here you can just come to DYDX exchange, and in balances when you come here you can see that DAI you are getting almost like 3.79, almost like 4% interest per year. So that's like more than 2% interest from Coinbase and 1% from compound. So here you can just come here, you have to click deposit, and you don't have to do anything. You just have to send your select the which one spot account from MetaMask, and you want to click deposit, and you just have to put how much you want to put and enable DAI. And once your DAI has been deposited after the confirmation of transaction, you can see the balance here and you can start earning the interest right away. So these are the three methods which I am telling you about, that you can just buy DAI, or you can just swap it from Ethereum to DAI, or from any token to DAI. Once you get it, you can invest it in Coinbase, which is the safest neo, but they have only 2%, or you can go to Compound, which is offering about 3%, or if you want to have more interest, about almost 4%, than DYDX. So I think that's it for my video. So please like, share, and subscribe my video, and leave a comment what do you like to hear in my next video. Until that, take care and bye bye.